function, and restriction. Okay, now I do know that in the auditing world, they like to combine these in different orders. Different places in the world I go want the accounts to show in their caseware as fund, function, restriction, and account, and some people want it to be account first, and then fund, function, and I think there's sort of a standard in the accounting manual, but that is something for you to figure out which order you want these to be shown in. But remember, they don't need to be sorted that way. Okay, they can be in, let's say, this order where the account code is last. Okay, and you want the account name to go in. Okay, it's right here. You want them to show in this order because something closer to this matches the accounting manual, but you want it sorted and grouped by the account code. I believe that's what I would like. And so I would get account code up here to be the sort order. And I click OK. And I have the balance of all of my income statement accounts ordered by their account number, but in this arrangement. And so of course this is ready for you to put into the caseware. If you want one account number, you would copy this, and that combines all of these. Just simply copy and paste this into Excel, insert another column, and use the concatenate function within Excel to combine these 4 cells to come up to a single unified account number. Okay, and so we'll name this one, rename this one income statement accounts. Okay, and just bear with me, let's just do one more. Do expenses. Now you can see my expense drill down is right there. I have a choice. Do I do a balance sheet drill down, or do I do an expense drill down? And then this one was my mistake from the past, and so I would like to get rid of that. So I will edit this and get this last one that's confusing me and delete it. And so now I have a nice tidy one. Okay, and I will call this the let's see, let's come up with a name for this one, and I want to call it income statement account. Okay, I don't know what we need to call these accounts other than that. And then this one would be balance sheet accounts drill down. Okay, so I will close that, and so now when I put my number over one of these things, it will pull down what I need. So I want income statement account drill down. Alright, and so we will name that expense accounts, and I see I misnamed this one right here, and that would be not income statement accounts, that's just income accounts, or revenue accounts. Let's do that. Revenue accounts. So now I'm just about done. We'll take this baby and we'll save the drill path. Okay, we'll save this drill path and we'll call this the, well, let's just use that same name. So we save this drill path, we close, and we save our entire project. So now our project is basically done, but for the fun of it, let's demonstrate how cool this is. So let's go back to design mode, alright, And we imagine that we are in a new organization, and we put in the business unit, and we're doing our audit as of the end, so we're ready to go. We are going to put in, at this point, we extract it, and we put in the business unit that for the client we're working with, put in the period that we want the trial balance to be as of. Okay, say we're auditing 2009, or we're working with 2009, and this is the correct ending period, end of last year. And so let's extract this, and we extract a drill path. Alright, so I have a trial balance. First thing I do is I glance down the bottom, make sure I've got 0, and then I have the details of each of my headings right down this, with all of this going all the way through. And that is the high-powered, rational sort of trial balance we want. And before I forget it, you can get to these are the accounts, okay, that we're auditing, and we can then go through and take any of these accounts and look at the underlying transactions by drilling down on them. Okay, that is, as we go through our audit, we want more details, we can drill down on those transactions by saying, okay, I want to see all the transactions in there. We go down, organized by date, journal number, line number, journal type, and you can make up your own. Put out what you exactly want, and we go, okay, and so this is a donation from Mr. Jones. We're doing expense accounts. We've got salaries here on a date here for salaries that have been charged to these different functions. I could take this and say, all right, I want to drill down on this by who, for example. You can drill down and work with this as long as you want. So if your only goal, okay, so that was Marina for that department. Okay, if your only goal was to somehow or another get this out to Caseware, this is, you sort of miss the point. The point is that once I've got this done, I have the basis of managing all of my audit or any other sort of management process that I want to do within the organization. Now, for the controllers that are watching this, your drill downs may be a little bit different. Okay, you could drill down with a different perspective, and you could actually make subgroups. If I were doing this and I was running an organization, I would have my expenses broken down between employee expenses and departmental expenses. At Mission College, I had revenue, a little bit more detailed, granular details here. So I hope that you find this very helpful in your work, and God bless.